on CurrencyXchanger. I'm going to show you how to add a corporate customer. First, let's go to the Customers module and click on New. As an example, I'm just going to fill in a name here. Under the Occupation tab here, we're just going to say that this person is a teller. And then we're going to check this little box here where it says this is a corporate entity. And for simplicity's sake, we'll just say that this is a corporation. And then under the company name, again, I'm just going to use an example. And then on the right here, we see that there's a company profile, and we're going to make sure to check supplier, say that they're a wholesaler, and also an MSB. So the reason why we want to check these boxes is actually for compliance purposes, but also for searching as well. So all of these entries are cross-referenced against the sanction list automatically, and that's why we see these green check marks beside not only the name, but the company name as well. And once you've completed that, you can continue and fill in any other relevant information. When you hit Tab as you enter these fields, the system automatically formats it for you. And once you're entering the city, and if you click on Tab, this window will pop up with potential options of cities. So as we can see, there are 2 Vancouver options, one in BC and one in Washington. And we will just pick one again for an example, and so on. So once you have completed all the relevant information that you may need regarding this corporate customer, just click on Save and you are good to go. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.